Whoa, 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 what's up?
Picking a project which does a decent job and has earned its community's trust is pretty tough, but let's say you do find it. How do you know where's a good market entry? Most important thing is to understand the concept of support and resistance, because even if you're not a technical analyst, the basics of support and resistance can help you choose both your entries and your exits more wisely. The idea is to buy at or near support and to sell at or near resistance when you decide to exit. So as you could see in that image earlier, in the case of Remark, a good entry could be around $16 because that had proved itself to be solid support and we had a number of bounces in that area, or $20 as an area to exit because that was a solid area of resistance. But it won't be easy to break it, so that actually helps us. So this is again easy in theory but harder in practice. It just helps to know where could you expect the price likely to go to and if it's far from your entry. Same as when it's about to hit a wall of resistance. Think about an exit there, especially if you want to sell some of that position to take that profit off the table. This can of course go against you, but since you're holding anyway, it's not a big deal. It's more of an indicator for you to manage your entries in a better way in the case of the current price, and if you want to actually get in on that specific project because you like it or because you like what the team are doing, etc.
Right now I am reaching $140,000.
Thank you for watching.